In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to margin trade on the Binance mobile app. This is an essential guide if you're looking to amplify your trading potential by using leverage, which can be both an exciting and rewarding aspect of trading when approached with the right knowledge and strategy. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get you started on your margin trading journey. First, you'll want to open the Binance app and navigate to your assets page. To do this, simply look for the spot section. This is where you usually see an overview of your holdings and their current market values. To prepare for margin trading, it's crucial to have your assets in the right wallet because margin trading requires the use of your margin wallet instead of your spot wallet. Next, you'll need to transfer your funds from the spot wallet to the margin wallet. Tap on the transfer button, which allows you to choose the asset you wish to move and select it. Confirm the transfer and now your funds will be ready for margin trading. This step ensures that your assets are available for potential trades, crucial for maintaining liquidity when you're about to initiate a margin position. Once your funds are in the margin wallet, head back to the main trading interface, navigate to trade, and then select margin. This section is specifically designed for margin trading activities. Here, you'll see various trading pairs available. For example, if you're interested in trading Bitcoin against USDT, simply select the BTC USDT pair from the list. Choose a pair that aligns with your trading strategy and market analysis. After selecting your desired trading pair, it's time to decide on your market position. You'll have the option to either buy or sell, depending on your market outlook. If you believe the price will go up, you might choose to buy. Conversely, if you anticipate a price drop, selling might be your strategy. Tapping buy or sell will take you to the interface where you'll set up the specifics of your trade. Now you'll need to set your leverage, enter the amount you wish to trade, and confirm your trade. Margin trading allows you to leverage your position, meaning you can control a larger position size than your account balance would typically allow. However, it's important to understand the risks as leveraging can magnify gains but also losses. Carefully choose your leverage level, keeping both strategy and risk management in mind. Once you've adjusted your leverage and entered the amount, review all details to ensure accuracy before finalizing. With a tap on confirm, your trade will be executed. By following these steps, you're now equipped to navigate the world of margin trading on the Binance mobile app. Remember, while the potential for higher returns exists due to leverage, it is essential to conduct thorough market research and risk assessment before diving in. Happy trading, and may your strategies prove profitable.